Hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna be doing a workbench today. I'm not necessarily going to record the whole thing. It's gonna be quite a long video. I'm gonna improvise a lot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna kind of take pictures step by step of what I'm building, and I hope you guys enjoy. Right now I'm on my way down to the shed to see what I got in here to put on this thing and use for scrap and kind of go from there. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. All right, we came down to the shed and hey, it was a success. We got enough 4x for a couple legs, so that works. And of course, and when we come down here, come here. Hey buddy, you wanna say hi? Look right there. Always with me.